One of the nice things about the Riccar R70 Smart Mop and Vacuum is when you buy the accessory pack, it actually becomes a great dry vacuum as a stick vacuum and other accessories. Hi, I'm Josh from Riccar, and let's check out what's in the box in the Riccar R70 accessory pack. Here's what's in the box: the vacuum nozzle, wand, and hose storage mount, the Deluxe accessory mount, the bendable long dusting brush, the pet grooming tool, the flexible cleaning hose, the pet fur and upholstery power tool, the metal vacuum wand, and the dry vacuum floor nozzle. Now that we've seen what's in the box, we're going to show you how to assemble your Riccar R70 accessory package to the R70 Smart Mop and Vacuum stand. Depending on how you bought it, depends on how you're going to have to set it up. So if you bought the package after you purchased the machine would have came with these stands that were already on it. If these stands are already on it, you are going to need a flathead screwdriver to pop them off and remove them. Once you remove those, you'll actually probably never need them again. So I would just disregard these and set them off to the side. And we're going to show you how to go ahead and set up the machine with the stand. The first thing we're going to want to do is take the nozzle, wand, and accessory stand and put it onto the main stand. Once that's in place, there's actually little icons for each one of the different accessories and where they go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put those into place. So here's our pet grooming tool. It goes here. We're going to take this powered pet tool and put it right there. The brush here. We have our crevice tool, which is going to go right here. The dusting brush here. Cleaning tool goes right here. We have the stand for the wand and the power head that are going to go into place right here. This is where the hose will go. And now we've set up our accessory package to be used every day with our Riccar R70 Smart Mop and Vacuum. So now that you have it all set up, the last thing you'd want to do is take the Smart Mop and Vacuum and put it into place, and you're ready to use it. Happy vacuuming.